Good morning. I'm Congresswoman Susan Delbene from Washington's 1st Congressional District. King County is spending approximately $100,000 a day, and that number has been probably going. The state's costs are over $2.5 million, and so it's been a great strain on state and local governments. It has been a top priority for me that we make sure not only we have dollars to help state and local government going forward, but that we can backfill the dollars that they have spent. As many of you know, the President signed this morning the supplemental funding package of $8.3 billion in emergency spending. In there is $2.2 billion focused at supporting state and local governments' public health efforts, and we know that $11.5 million there will be coming to Washington State directly to help support public health.
Yeah, I'm going to let Patty speak to what's been going on the ground.
We've already begun to hear from employers throughout the state of Washington that are feeling the negative economic impacts of this. Our shellfish growers who export predominantly to China, where the ports are largely shut down, manufacturers, and even just Main Street businesses who have reached out to us and have explained that they're taking a hit. I've been able, as a member of the Appropriations Committee, to take that concern directly to our House leadership, including our Speaker of the House and our Appropriations Chair, Nita Lowey, and we pushed for assistance for our employers and our workers that are in affected communities. And as a result, the bill that was just signed into law today enables the Small Business Administration to provide an additional $7 billion in loans to small businesses across our region and across the country that are suffering financial losses as a result of this outbreak.
Thank you. We are pleased that the U.S. Congress is sending Washington State much more than their thoughts and prayers, and that's the resources that we so need to make this a much more robust effort. And I just want to thank our delegation. They've been super on this.
Somebody else didn't do it. It sounded like it was tied in there, but maybe that.
But I do believe that we have a very clear understanding that we are the tip of the spear nationally on this. We need to have the priority be Washington State at the moment because we are the tip of that effort. And the rest of the country, frankly, is looking to us for leadership on how we handle this crisis. So I'm glad that the legislature has also stepped up in this regard.